Hey guys, I wanted to show you this portable mini blowing and suction car vacuum cleaner. I actually use it more in the house than for the car. So this is the unit. So it's rechargeable with the USB-C, and it comes with this charger. So it unlocks. It has a dual filter system. So there's this filter, and then there's the middle filter that it sits in. It also comes with one additional filter. It has multiple attachments. So we have these right here, and these actually attach right here. So you line it up, and then twist it on. If you want to use the brush, you can put it on this one. And then these two also twist on as well. Alright, we're going to put the filter back in here. So it just sits down in here. Then you twist this back on and lock it. If you want to use the floor brush, that's how you put that on. So then if you want to use this one, you just stick it in there, and the brush part will just fit onto the end of this one. If you don't want to use it with the brush, so I use it for different things. If I have my tablecloth and there's crumbs on it, instead of just brushing them off into the floor or whatever, I'll just take this and clean off my tablecloth. If there's like a little mess or something, then I'll just simply grab this and clean it up. So it does a great job for me and for what I need it for. So whenever you go to empty it, you can just press that button and have this come down and you empty it into the trash can. Or you can always take this off, remove the filters, and empty it that way. Either way is fine. I feel like this way is more convenient. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you this.